What type of chicken is it?
Roasted chicken leg.
Roasted chicken leg, and the one in front?
That's turkey burn down.
Turkey burn down. So right opposite Radisson is a food fair. There's a Scotiabank across the road. So we're going to go into the mall to see if we find a Digicel outlet so we can get a SIM card and have access to internet and calls. So this is the supermarket. We need to get some supplies, but we're going to go into the mall first. So you have to come through. The first thing you see is the supermarket and go through to get to the mall. Okay, so let's look for this Digicel store. Ooh, the mall is really nice.
So you can stand behind this gentleman.
So I'm getting a 4 gig, you said, for $35. What type of chicken is it?
Roasted chicken leg.
Roasted chicken leg, and the one in front?
That's turkey burn down.
Turkey burn down.
Curry lamb.
Curry lamb.
Creole fish.
Creole fish.
Dried peas with dumplings.
Dried peas with dumplings.
Veg.
Steamed veg.
Vegetable rice.
Veg.
Pasta.
And pasta. Okay, nice. But I have to come back for that well done. I have to try it. So here's the souvenir shop. Let's get something one time. So we're in the supermarket, just come to get something really quick. So I'm not gonna share prices with you guys, right? Because I wanna be in and out like really fast. Okay guys, so look, they have Chief brand products, they have JGM products. I saw Caribbean flavors just now. So they do have an assortment of Trini seasonings, curry powder. Look, they have char masala and curry powder there also. They have the Nestle cream or table cream for Barfi here, $6.75 EC. So I see Orchard, so I'm gonna get that for the baby. Bye.
Bye, Trini.
Let's go. If we can remember where we parked, right?